What's up, my friends? Welcome to another Freedom Seeds Friday 2A victory special. If you didn't hear, the Third Circuit said that the 10-round magazine limit and assault weapons ban in New Jersey are unconstitutional. Yes. Do you feel that right there? Yes. So what does that mean? Can we go out and buy big giant Santa sacks full of 30-round mags and bring them back to New Jersey now? I don't know. Let's figure it out together. I messaged an attorney to ask him. I got an article here from bearingarms.com and I threw it all into ChatGPT to see what ChatGPT says. I don't know, but I hope this is it. Is this it? Do we have 30-round mags in New Jersey now? Let's find out. Guys, hit that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Let me know. Is this it? Did you already go and buy a bunch of 30-round mags and 60-round drums and bring them home? Did you buy a 50 cal and throw it on the back of your pickup as soon as you heard? I don't know. I'm seeing a lot of posts online saying that gun stores are selling 30-round mags all of a sudden, and where did they even get them from so fast? I like it. I kind of like it. But I messaged an attorney, and this is what he said. Let's see what he said here. He said, gun store owners are posting, come out and get your extended magazines now. He said he thinks it's a big mistake for that. He said the AG will probably file for a stay. The Supreme Court will hopefully deny the cert, and then we'll be good to go. But either way, it's too early to get excited, even though he thinks we will win it. So he thinks it's a little too early, and apparently that's the vibe I'm getting to, because I feel like we've heard stuff like this a lot of times, maybe not this big, but we hear a lot of things and then we don't actually hear, okay, yes, you can go get your pins taken out of your magazines now. So we're just trying to figure it out together, people. But let's see, we got an article here from bearingarms.com as well. I put it into ChatGPT to see what they say. And apparently the Third Circuit Court, not just 3 judges, heard this case. They ruled New Jersey's assault weapons ban violates the Second Amendment. They also ruled the 10-round magazine limit violates the Second Amendment. This is a huge win for the gun groups like the ANJRPC and NRA and the Second Amendment Foundation and Firearms Policy Coalition. The court basically said New Jersey went too far by banning an entire class of commonly owned firearms and magazines. The court basically said you can't call something unusual when millions of regular Americans legally own it. So I guess they were saying that these some of these firearms and magazines were unusual. Let's see. The judges said these aren't guns that only criminals use. Millions of law-abiding Americans use them every day for perfectly legal purposes. So this is a huge constitutional victory. The Third Circuit said these bans violate the Second Amendment, and this sets a precedent for all the other tyrannical states that have these same type of magazine restrictions and assault weapons bans. And hopefully this, once it actually is finished and we 100% win and can actually buy standard capacity magazines and any type of rifle that we want, hopefully that will roll into states like California and New York, and they have to do the same. But it does not mean that the laws change today. So remember that. New Jersey will almost certainly ask the courts to pause the ruling while it appeals until we know whether there's a stay or whether the court's mandate takes effect. People should continue following the state law right now. So what you might not follow the state law now anyway, but you might just follow your Second Amendment, right, and not follow the laws. But regardless, I'm not sure, and from what I hear, it is not completely done yet. I'm seeing a lot of posts all over the place, but I hope I'm wrong. I hope that all of a sudden tomorrow I'll walk into the gun store and there'll be 30-round magazines for my rifle there and standard capacity magazines for my Glock there. We will see. But guys, this is a huge 2A victory today, and it is awesome. Remember, it took us 50 years to be able to carry in New Jersey, and all those people that said, "Oh, we're never going to get our carry permits in New Jersey," well, guess what? They were wrong. And if those negative Nellies start saying again, well, we're never going to get 30-round magazines in New Jersey, they will be wrong again, because we will get it. We will win, because God is on our side. Remember, these rights that were given to us by God, these inalienable rights, they were not given to us by the government to defend our lives and our family's life. Our right to life was given to us by God. And the government cannot restrict that right. That's why our Second Amendment says it shall not be infringed. So guys, thanks for watching another Freedom Seeds Friday 2A victory special. Comment down below. Let me know what you're hearing all over the place. It's pretty crazy right now. I mean, posts all over the internet. Who knows what's true? I heard you could, conceal carry flamethrowers now. I don't know what's happening. I'm pretty sure you can carry grenades now in New Jersey. That's another post I saw. I don't know. But yes, there actually are legal flashbangs you can buy in New Jersey. But that's a different story. That's a different video, guys. Thanks for watching another Freedom Seeds Friday. God bless you all. God bless America. God God bless the Second Amendment, and God bless all of you watching right now. Guys, thanks a lot. Have a great rest of your night. Thanks.